Hi, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys me prepping my meats for Thanksgiving. Okay, so first I poked holes in the chicken, then I put some butter. Now I'm going to season. So as you can see, I'm showing you the seasonings that I'm using. Okay, so once I was done seasoning this side, I went ahead and flipped it over, and then I just added some more seasoning. So yes, I'm making the whole chicken. I rather chicken than turkey. I don't really like turkey like that. So I'm just adding the same seasonings I've been using on the other side. Now I'm going to be adding some sazon. Now I'm just going to be inserting some of the juice inside of the chicken. Okay, so once that was done, I'm just going to wrap it up and put some foil over the pan and put it in the fridge. Okay, now it's time to start on the ham. So I'm just putting some cloves inside the ham. I like that taste. And then I'm going to melt some butter, and I'm adding some honey and some brown sugar, and then I'm going to pour it all over the ham. Okay, so now I'm just going to put foil over the pan and wrap it up. Okay, so now I'm going to start on the chicken. So for the chicken, I decided to do one pan of lemon pepper wings, and the other pan I'm going to do hot wings. Okay, now I'm just going to season both pans. Okay, so for the pan in the back, I'm adding some sazon because I'm going to be frying those wings. And then I'm going to make the sauce and put the hot sauce on them. Now I'm just going to add half a lemon onto the chicken just so I can have that lemon flavor. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix up the chicken. Okay, now I'm going to add some butter into the lemon pepper wings, and then I'm going to wrap it up. now it's time to start on the pork chops. I'm going to be making jerk pork chops, so I'm just going to start seasoning, and then I'm going to add the jerk sauce on it and mix everything up. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button, and also make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos.